Okay, with our example. Now you know how to create a project, and you can name that anything you like. And then let's create a class called memo. Okay, now as you can see, we have created a class called memo. And then let's write our first method. It's a public method basically. Public. uh, it has a return type. What we'll say feeding. So this feeding method basically is, like I explained before, it will implement to every class. So let's write our method: system dot out dot println, and we'll say feeding on milk. Basically, I'll write milk there. So this is one method here. And now the other method: mammals feed and they communicate. Write public void will communicate. Okay, in communicate, now I'm not going to write any function there, because if I write, say if I write barking, and when we try to inherit it to the other classes like I showed before here, what will happen is barking will be implemented to everything. Barking will be correct to dog, as obviously, but barking will go to here and here. So these are wrong. Cats don't bark. So that's why I have left it blank like this. But this is not the proper way we do it. I will explain before it. I will explain that we use abstract classes when we do this. So for now, let's do it. Now a mammal class is correct. Okay. Now let's see. Now we had to create our cat and dog classes. So let's create our dog class. We just create it like this. It's not a main method, like that. And then class dog, we'll say extends cat, sorry, mammal. Okay, now what you can see here is basically we have inherited methods from mammals. So what will be inherited is this will be inherited, and this will be inherited. Now since this doesn't have any type of return type or any function, we can actually write this back here. So that's why we implement this, because communicating is unique to each class. Public void communicate. Okay, so let's write system dot out dot println, and so bark. Okay, now why didn't we write this one here? It will automatically be implemented, this feeding method. Even if it do not write it, it will be implemented. I'll show you when I make our main method class and run the program. Now dog class is complete. Now let's create our cat class. Okay, cat. So we don't need any inheritance. Cat extends man, right? And here we do the same. The cat communicates in a unique way, so we write public void communicate, and we write here system dot out dot println, right? And here we can write we write meow, right? So now our cat class is complete. Now we'll create our Persian class here. I don't know if you can see this here, but we created another class which is Persian, which will inherit cat class. So let's create that. New. Okay, let's name it Persian. Not sure of the failed spellings. This is okay. So Persian